Okay, for homework 11.3, I apologize to period 3. I did not give you the packet. You could just show this work on a piece of paper and turn that in tomorrow if you're period 3. If you're periods 1 or 5, hopefully I gave you the packet. I'd like you to open to page 36. I'm going to have you do these 3 problems on this page and turn it in to me tomorrow. All right, but here we go. Write this work on a piece of paper if I didn't give you the packet, or show this work on your packet if I did, and include the 3 words to show me that you listened. All right, so here we go. It says determine if it's a function and then give domain and range. So again, remember to find out if it's a function, look at the x numbers. If none of those repeat, then I'm guaranteed that it's a function. For that first one, none of those numbers in the x coordinate. In the x coordinate, remember x is the domain. Write that word down. That's not one of the random words, but write that down. Domain, all the x values. This is definitely a function, yes, because none of the x numbers repeated. The first random word is cat. Cat. If it wants the domain, I'm going to list all of the x values. So I'm going to list that in from least to greatest. Let's go -7, then I got -6 in there, and then I got -2, then I got 3, then I got 8. Usually listed from order from least to greatest. I will not mark you if you don't, as long as you put those x numbers in there. The range are the y numbers, all the y numbers for that coordinate. So you can see the range, all the y numbers listed from least to greatest. Looks like I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, and I'm just going to list 5 once. I don't want to list it twice because that would be redundant. So I'm going to list it once. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are all the y numbers. That is my range. The x numbers are my domain. The y numbers are my range. Draw this little graph on your paper. Remember, the x numbers, those numbers are my domain. The y numbers, those are my range. We're going to start looking at that tomorrow. All right, second problem and the second random word, birds, birds. All right, here we go. So number 2, 9, 0, 4, 5, 2. Uh-oh, another 0. That 0, one of them gave me a 4, and the other one gave me a -3. Nope, that is not a function. I cannot have the same x value give me a different y value. I'm still going to list the domain though. So all my x numbers, I'm just going to list them. I'm not going to do them from least to greatest. So 9, 0, 4, 5, 2, and 3. Even though this is not a function, still listing the y numbers and the x numbers. X numbers are domain. The y numbers are the range. 2, 4, 0, 3, 7, -3, -1. All right, last problem, last word coming. So looking at these x numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, none of them repeat. That's for sure a function. My range, my domain, the x numbers, the input numbers, that's what domain is. All the input numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are all my domain, my x numbers, my inputs. Y is output, is range, all the y numbers in that set. So here I go. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all the y numbers there. The last word is pelican, pelican. So show this work in your packet if I gave it to you. If you're period 3, again, I apologize. Show this work on a separate piece of paper. Include the mathematical words I wrote and include the random words I said, 3 of them, to show me that you truly listened. All right, good luck. See you tomorrow.